Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can remove this very annoying logo on Gemini Nano Banana when you generate an image. There is a way I found by myself. It's super easy, and the most important thing is if you subscribe for AI Pro on Google and you have AI credit, you can still use that AI credit to generate image without any AI or Gemini logo. So you need to go to Google search over here and you search for wings. And you see right in the first website we have the Google Labs, and you can see we have a lot of app over here, and you will choose the Wings app. Now you choose enter the tools. If this is the first time you enter the tool, you need to log in to your Google account, and you can see right over here I have an AI Pro account similar with my Gemini plan. In this interface you just need to type in your prompt and you can change the aspect ratio. This one Gemini can do it for you. When everything's okay, I will hit enter. You can see AI generate for us two images over here, and both of this one don't have the AI logo. You even can download the image and you can watch the image again. We don't have any AI logo that show in this kind of image. So whenever you still have AI credit, you still can generate image on this website without any AI logo. That's all my videos. If my videos helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.